How do you use a sound machine effectively? Are you curious about how to make the most of a sound machine for your study and sleep routines? Let's break down the best practices to help you use this tool effectively. First, when selecting a sound machine, look for one that offers continuous sounds like white, pink, or brown noise. These sounds create a steady auditory environment, which is essential for maintaining focus or promoting restful sleep. Avoid machines that have sounds that start and stop or come with timers that turn off. Next, consider the placement of your sound machine. Position it about 7 feet away from your study or sleep area. This distance helps distribute the sound evenly without overwhelming your ears. Now, let's talk about volume. Set the sound machine to the lowest effective level that still masks background noise. If it is too loud, it can disrupt your relaxation or concentration, while if it is too soft, it may not block out distractions effectively. Another important factor is light. Choose a sound machine that either has no lights or allows you to turn off any lights. Light exposure during sleep or study can interfere with your ability to relax and focus. The primary function of a sound machine is to mask external noises. By providing a consistent background sound, it helps reduce sudden noises that might interrupt your concentration or sleep. Personal preference plays a big role in how effective a sound machine can be. Some people find white noise or nature sounds soothing, while others may prefer silence or different types of sounds. It's a good idea to experiment with different sounds to see which ones help you relax or focus best. Consistency is key when using a sound machine for sleep. Try to use it every night during your sleep routine. This helps condition your brain to associate the sound with rest, making it easier to fall asleep and improving sleep quality over time. However, be mindful of becoming too dependent on it. While sound machines can be helpful, relying on them every night may create a psychological dependence, making it hard to sleep without the sound. In the context of study habits, a sound machine can create an environment free from sudden noises that disrupt your focus. For effective sleep strategies, better sleep quality supports memory consolidation and cognitive function. By following these guidelines, you can maximize the benefits of a sound machine to improve both your sleep and study effectiveness.